Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to talk about how to fix battery drain on your iPhone after updating it. And if you're facing this trouble, this is what you have to do. So the first one is all about you have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down and tap on the general, and from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the background app refresh and tap on the background app refresh at the top. If it is turned on, you have to turn this off. This is what you have to do as the first step. Now we just need to go back, and once you go back, you have to go back from here, and right now you just need to go back here, and what you need to do is you have to scroll it down and tap on the display and brightness, and from here what you need to do is you have to check the first one. This brightness should be adjusted. It means if you're going out, you have to set this to the maximum, or you can set this to the minimum. If you're using on the indoor, this is what you have to do. And also parallel, try using the light from the lighter appearance. You have to change into the dark mode, which is much better rather than keeping it on the light mode. And this is how we can do it. And also what you need to do is you just need to go back over here and also navigate to the accessibility. And over here there is an option called display and text size. You have to tap on it, and from here if you scroll it down, you can see there is an option called auto brightness. You have to turn this off. And once you turn this off, you just need to go back, and there are a few more steps that is all about. You have to scroll it down, and over here what you need to tap on the privacy and security. From here tap on the location services, and if it is turned on, you have to turn this off. So turn off the location service, you have to turn it off. Then once you're done with this one, what you need to do is only the one solution that you can try, the last one, that is all about even always depending on the mobile data and both the Wi-Fi. So what you need to do is you can either turn off the mobile data and try using the Wi-Fi. There is no issue with that because the Wi-Fi is not going to consume a lot battery drain rather than comparing with the mobile data. If you're using mobile data all the time, what I'm saying is if you're having any Wi-Fi connection, try using the Wi-Fi connection, and you have to check. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.